Hey, possible second place finishers. Welcome to another year of the Rapid City Rounders Fantasy Football League. Here's a quick little tutorial to show you how to set your keepers or choose your keepers this year. So, first and foremost is to open up the app link that I'll post here in the message board. It does not require a user sign in. You should just be able to open it up right away into your browser. Note, since I'm not requiring user sign-in, it's not a secure app, which means anybody can change the data. So don't go into other people's teams and change the data. Be good. Okay, select your team, scroll down to the inline table, and select your players that you want to set as a keeper. It'll say mark keeper, mark it as a keeper. If you change your mind, remove them. You're going to see that they go from green to plain text color. Once you choose a keeper, you'll see that they automatically move to the top of the list. So if you want to know who you have set or who you have set as a keeper, they're going to be the green ones on the very top. It's really that simple. If you have questions on where the cost price came from, you can do one of two things or both. First, go to the 2018 draft. This is all of the prices that the players were drafted for. Of course, the $9.99 just means that they were a keeper the year before. If they're listed as $9.99 in the final rosters, it means that they were a keeper from the year before. So the price that a player was drafted for is their keeper price. It doesn't matter if the player was dropped by the person who drafted them, picked up for $1. Their price is still whatever they were drafted for. Then if the player was not drafted, then their price will come from the transactions. So this is a grouping list that shows you all of the players that were picked up off of waivers, and whoever team they were on last is who they're going to be under. However, that's irrelevant. The most important thing is just looking at their pricing. This is sortable. You can click on their name and find a player really easily if you need to. Of course, if they're on your team, you can just go to the grouping of your team name and find all the players that you picked up off of waivers that were not drafted, and whatever their price is what their price is. It doesn't matter if they were, again, dropped and picked up and dropped and picked up. Whatever their final pickup price is what their final price is. So hopefully that is easy for you guys to understand. I know some of you not so smart. You don't know how to draft. You don't know how to manage a fantasy league team. I'm sorry. You're screwed. Good luck.